Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I recently found out about green goddess salad, so I just had to try it. So I thought I would share the recipe with you if you haven't heard about it before. So we're going to basically start off with some cabbage. I'm going to chop this up finely and I'll prep the ingredients, share it with you as I go along. So as I said before, we're going to start with some cabbage. So now that I've finished chopping up the cabbage to my liking, to the smallness of my liking, I'm going to transfer this to my mixing bowl. On to the next ingredient. Next ingredient is a cucumber. I am going to cut up this as small as I can. That was a bad cut, but it is not in vain. And let me just proceed with this quickly. The nice small little chunks. Something like that, or maybe I could cut it a little smaller. It's all up to your liking. Okay, so almost done chopping up the cucumber. As you can see, they're nice and small as I'm able to to get them cut up. The key about all this chopping up is to basically try your best and have like a sharp knife, you know, so make cutting these vegetables easy. As much as I'm excited about this recipe, the chopping is very time consuming, I must say, because I'm so excited to indulge. Just cut up this a little smaller. So when I'm done with this, I'm just going to transfer to the mixing bowl with the cabbage that I already cut up. So next on the list, it's I call this save. Chop this up as small as I can. This apparently this recipe was posted on TikTok. I just found it on YouTube. Right. So I'm going to finish chopping this up and add this with the cabbage and the cucumber. So here are the cabbage, here's the cabbage, the cucumber and the chive all chopped up. So the next part of this recipe is to do the dressing. So and that entails no cutting up and stuff. So on to that next part of the recipe. So for the dressing, we're going to need some spinach, baby spinach. About a handful, 1.5 handfuls of the baby spinach. 2 garlic cloves, tablespoons of rice vinegar. Sorry, my bad, that is apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, I'm just going to use half of an avocado. The recipe requires for 1 small avocado, but I'll just use half of it. Some almonds. I had some slivered almonds in the fridge, so I'll just use up what I have in stock. And a bit of salt. I'm using ½ teaspoon of salt. I could always add more if it's not enough salt. And let's blend that up. So I'm going to add this to the chopped up cabbage and cucumber and chive. This is the green goddess salad final product. It's really good. It's quite interesting taste. Like I said before, I would use less of the I might eliminate the vinegar and probably use less lemon, you know, to cut down on the acidity. But it's really nice, something interesting, and I like that it's 100% healthy, and I'm really enjoying this. If you tried it, let me know what you think about it, and if you have any tweaks in recipe that you have done, of course I want to try it too as well. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.